In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shopify to manage your product collections effectively. Whether you're new to Shopify or just need a refresher on handling product collections, this guide will walk you through the process in a clear and straightforward way. To begin, the first thing you want to do is visit the Shopify website. Navigate to your internet browser and enter the Shopify URL into the address bar. Once the page loads, log into your account with your credentials. If you're not yet signed up, you'll need to create an account to follow along with this tutorial and gain access to all the great features Shopify offers for managing an online store. Now that you're logged in, let's focus on accessing your product collections. Head over to the left-hand side of the Shopify dashboard where you'll see a navigation menu. Scroll down and click on the products. Inside the products section, you'll see several options, including collections. Select collections to proceed, and this will bring up a list of all the collections you currently have set up in your store. Collections in Shopify are essentially groups of products that make it easier for your customers to find items based on category or theme. Whether you're grouping products by type, season, or any other criterion, collections can help keep your store organized and enhance user experience. Now, suppose there's a specific collection you no longer need or wish to reorganize for a better shopping experience. You'll start by identifying which collection you want to delete. Scroll through your list of collections and click on the name of the specific collection you intend to remove. This action will open a detailed view of that collection, displaying all the products it contains along with settings and descriptions you've added. In this view, locate the More Actions button. It's usually shaped like 3 dots or lines. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this drop-down, you'll find the Delete Collection option. Clicking this will initiate the deletion process, but be cautious. Deleting a collection is permanent. However, this does not delete the products it contains. It merely removes the organizational grouping. So rest assured your individual product listings remain safe and intact. Once you confirm the deletion, Shopify processes your request and you'll be taken back to your collections list, where the deleted collection will no longer appear. And there you have it. Managing your collections is essential for keeping your store organized and user-friendly. And knowing how to remove collections you don't need is a valuable skill in maintaining an efficient online store. Thank you for joining me today in mastering this aspect of Shopify management. Keep practicing these steps to streamline your store's offerings and enhance the shopping experience for your customers. Happy selling!